Lentils gained popularity as an affordable meat substitute in the US during World War II. Today, they thrive in kitchens as a nutritious plant-based protein that can suit any cuisine or flavor. These small, gluten-free legumes pack a healthful punch. Lentils are rich in vitamins, minerals and fiber, without the fat or cholesterol of red meat. Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to my channel, and today, we're diving into the incredible world of lentils, not just a humble bean, but a nutritional powerhouse that's been making waves in kitchens worldwide. From their roots as a wartime meat substitute to their current status as a plant-based protein superstar, lentils have truly earned their place on our plates. Let's kick things off by exploring the different varieties of lentils. We've got brown lentils, the budget-friendly option perfect for burgers and soups, nutty-tasting green lentils ideal for salads, speedy-cooking red lentils perfect for Indian dal, and the tiny caviar-like black lentils, also known as beluga lentils. Now, let's talk nutrition. Lentils are not just small, they're gluten-free, rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, a true healthful punch without the fat or cholesterol found in red meat. Just half a cup of cooked lentils brings 140 calories, 12 grams of protein, 9 grams of fiber, and a mere 0.5 grams of fat. It's time to harness the incredible benefits of these tiny legumes. Wondering why you should make lentils a regular part of your diet? Here are 5 compelling reasons. 1. Disease protection. Regular lentil consumption is linked to reduced risks of chronic diseases, including diabetes, obesity, heart disease, and even cancer. The powerful polyphenols in lentils have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and neuroprotective effects. 2. Blood pressure regulation. Lentils, rich in potassium, help counteract the effects of salt, maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Plus, their protein content makes them a fantastic substitute for red meat.
3. Heart health. Folate, iron, and vitamin B1 in lentils support heart health, potentially lowering the risk of heart disease. Studies even show greater blood pressure reductions with lentils compared to other legumes. 4. Boost of energy. Packed with iron, lentils can provide a 15% boost of your recommended daily intake. Ideal for combating fatigue, especially for those on a vegan or vegetarian diet. 5. Digestive support. Rich in fiber, lentils promote a healthy digestive system, aiding in bowel regulation and reducing the risk of colorectal cancer. As with any superfood, there are things to consider. Consuming too many or undercooked lentils might cause digestive discomfort due to their high fiber content. Remember, moderation is key. For most people, lentils are a safe and nutritious addition to the diet. However, they contain natural compounds called anti-nutrients. Soaking and cooking can help mitigate this effect. If you experience any allergic reactions, especially to other legumes, consult your healthcare provider. Time to get cooking. Lentils are a breeze to prepare. No need for overnight soaking. Just rinse and cook. Whether whole, split, or canned, lentils are versatile. Red lentils cook in just 5 minutes, while others may take around 20 minutes. Remember to experiment with different types in salads, soups, and more. And there you have it, the incredible journey and health benefits of lentils. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share your favorite lentil recipes in the comments below.